Take a piece of paper. Write the name of each object, in the correct place, according to the clues. Are you ready?
On the right side of the room, there is a sofa against the wall. In front of the sofa, there is a coffee table. On the opposite wall, in front of the coffee table, there is a TV. Under the coffee table, there is a carpet. On the right side of the sofa, there is a small side table. On the side table, there is a cup. Next to the side table, there is a tall lamp. Above the TV, there is a painting. On the back wall, there is a big window. There are curtains on both sides of the window. On the left side of the window, there is a bookshelf against the wall. Next to the bookshelf, there is a small plant in a pot. The door is on the right wall, near corner of the room. To the right of the door, there is a clock on the wall. In the middle of the coffee table, there is a remote control. Under the coffee table, there are a few magazines. On the sofa, there are 2 cushions. Near the carpet, there is a sleeping cat. On the left side of the coffee table, there is a chair. On the side table next to the sofa, there is a vase.
Now, check your answers. Compare your drawing with the correct positions.